Hey guys, this is Jeff here. In this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful button that's on the Lumix S5. Buckle up, let's get into it. Guys, just before I started the video, look at this number. More than 95% of you are watching the videos but not subscribing. So please consider subscribing. It's free, please subscribe. That encourages me to keep going in the videos that I'm making. So it's one simple idea that's gonna cover the entire thing. It's so simple, but yet so powerful. I promise, watch the entire video and I'm 100% sure that there's something you're gonna learn today. So I'm gonna get into the camera right now. Let's get into it. As I said, it's simple, but yet very powerful. So basically, the thing is, you can customize every button that's on the Lumix S5, all of them. So all of the buttons can be customized. So let me show you how to do that, guys. So basically what you do, every button that you hold, let's say for example, I hold that, see? Now I can put, for me, I customize this as my sound level. So if I wanna check my sound, basically while I'm in video, I can only press that button and then I can see all my sound. Is everything okay? Do I want to put it higher or lower and all of this? So basically, this is amazing. So I love putting it on -12. So you guys see that. So let's say for another button, you just need to press it. Basically, you can put it to whatever you want. So for myself, I put that the up button for my work quality. So if I want to change the quality I'm recording on, I can change it easily. And the only thing I have to do is press and hold that button. There we go, that's it. So, but that's not all of it. It's not just this button that can be customized, but every button on the Lumix can be customized. I mean, beside this, the live view and the playback, that cannot be customized. So for example, for me, just a trick there for me, the 4 button when I'm recording, this is how I record it too. So this one to that, I customize it to natural, like the color profile that I want to change. Basically, I usually leave it on vlog, and then this one over there, I put it to so I can see if I'm exposed correctly. And there's a video I'm gonna make about how to 100% all the time nail your exposure on the Lumix S5. So, and then my down button, as I told you, it's the mic level. And then the last one, which is the up button, I customize that to my work quality. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I really do hope you enjoyed. You learned something. So go out there and make some awesome video. See you in the next one.